you today? Hope you guys are doing great. So today I would like to continue our lesson with Unit 4B that it is talking about a grammar. And our grammar today is talking about conditional and future time clause. So in here, I would like to show you about zero conditional and first conditional. So number one, zero conditional is a real conditional. Be remember that. So to talk about something which is always true or always happen as a result of something else. So we use it to talk about something which is always true or it's kind of your everyday habit or something like that. So in here the form if plus present simple and then comma present simple, okay, and one more you can put present simple plus if plus present simple, but the second style you use it without comma. So in here, please take note about this point. You can also use the present continuous or present perfect in either clause. Okay, so it means that you can use if plus present simple and then comma present continuous, or if plus present simple comma present perfect. Or you want to convert it by putting if clause in the middle. Yes, you still can use it the same. And be remember that if clause we call it if clause, and then the other clause in here we call it a result clause. So it means that whenever there's a problem, it always have a result. Okay, example that if is a problem and the other clause in here is a result. Okay, let me show you about the example. So in here, if you want to be fit, you need to do some exercise every day. Okay, let's see in here. If you want to be fit, so if you want to be fit is if plus present simple, and you need to do some exercise every day is present simple the same. Or you can convert it by putting the result clause in front of the if clause. Let's see in here. You need to do some exercise every day if you want to be fit. You see, both are the same meaning, but you write it in a different way. So example number two, if people are wearing headphones in the street, they often don't notice other people. Okay, so if in here they use if plus present continuous, and the other clause is result clause, they use it present simple. So like what I told you in the previous slide, you can put present continue or present perfect in the if clause, or you can put present continue or present perfect in the result clause. That's okay, you can use it the same. Number three, if you haven't been to New York, you haven't lived. So if plus present perfect and then comma present simple, or you can say you haven't lived if you haven't been to New York. The same meaning. And here I would like to show you more about second conditional. So what is second conditional? I'm sorry. What is for conditional? So for conditional, we use it to talk about something which will probably happen in the future. So here is the form if plus present tense. So present tense means that you use any kind of present tense. Okay, like note in here, present tense are present simple, present continue, present perfect, or present perfect continue, something like that. And comma future tense. So future tense here, there will or going to, future perfect or future continue. So in the form here you can convert it the same as zero conditional. You can use future tense plus if plus present simple but without command. You can use it the same. You can use both ways. It still have the same meaning. And here let me show you the example. If the photos are good, I will send them to you. Can you check with me? If the photos are good, so the photos are good is present simple, and I will send them to you is the future form about will form, okay? Or you can say I will send them to you if the photos are good. Make sure that without command. And if I, we change it to lowercase letter. The second one, if you are not going to Jackson's party, I'm not going to go either. So they mean that if you don't go to a Jackson party, mean that I'm not go to your party too. So it mean that I don't go to both party. Okay, we use if plus present continuous and then command plus going to form. Don't confuse that this is a present continuous. But anyway, both are the same. Okay. If I haven't come back by 9, start dinner without me. Okay, so if in here we use it plus present perfect, and in here start dinner without me is an imperative. So imperative means that you express about the if clause. You express about the present perfect. Okay, so you express about the future. And in here, I will have finished in an hour if you don't disturb me. So we use future perfect plus if plus present simple. Or you can say, if you don't disturb me, command, I will have finished in an hour. Okay. So I hope you understand with both of these conditional. So both are the real conditional, okay? Zero and first conditional are the real conditional. And in here, I would like to show you more a little bit about future time clause. So future time clause, when we use it when you are talking about the future. So use a present tense, like what I have said in the previous slide. So present tense have present simple, present continuous, present perfect. And after the expression, remember that you use the future tense after the expression. Okay, I'm so sorry. So when we are talking about the future, use a present tense after expression as soon as, when, until, unless, before, after, and in case. So we used present simple after this expression in here. Okay, example like I'm so sorry. Example like as soon as I go home. You see? So we use present tense after expression. And one more, we use in case. Okay, we use in case when we do something in order to be ready for future situation or problem. So you use in case when you are ready. Okay, for the future situation and problem. And one more, we would like to compare if and in case. What are the difference between if and in case? So example number 1, I will take an umbrella if it's rain. You see? So it means that I won't take an umbrella if doesn't rain. You see? I will take an umbrella if doesn't rain. But in here, number 2, I will take an umbrella in case it rain. So it means that I will take an umbrella anyway because it rain. You see? Mean that you take the umbrella along with you all the time, even if it doesn't rain. But I will take an umbrella it rains, so it means that you take an umbrella along with you just only when it rains. Okay, both are different. So in here, I would like to give you an example about the future. About the future time clause. Okay. In here, I will be ready as soon as I have had a cup of coffee. Do you see? We use present tense after future time clause. Send me a message when. So when your train's coming into the station. So this one is present continuous. I'm not going to buy the new model until the price has gone down a bit. Okay, has gone down a bit is present perfect. And I'm not going to work overtime this weekend unless I get paid for it. Present simple. Take your umbrellas in case it's raining when you leave work. So all of this example is expressed about the future time clause. So that's end for today's lesson, and I hope you catch up with what I have said. And if you have any question, you are freely to ask me in our Telegram group, and we will do some exercise in our Zoom meeting, and I will explain you more. See you soon.